Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Rockwood number 480-626 satin chrome plated solid brass doorstop. This is going to be what's considered a heavy-duty doorstop, and it's a result of the construction of the item. You've got this large platform base where you've got multiple points of anchoring. It's going to be able to, as a result, take just a lot of use and abuse. Okay? Fairly attractive, fairly modern looking, fairly traditional looking as well. It's going to include number 12 by inch and a quarter maybe, flathead sheet metal screws, 3 plastic anchors. I would want personally to abandon those if it was a concrete floor. Certainly I wouldn't use plastic anchors. I would probably substitute machine bolts and lead expansion anchors is what I would personally want to use. Turns out the 480 can be ordered that way as a 481. So the difference between the 480 and 481 is only the screw package. If you're going to go into a wood floor, or maybe tile, I suppose, this would be the way to go. But plastic anchors, when compared against other more robust anchoring types, fail for my test in terms of you're buying a heavy-duty doorstop, you expect it to operate at a heavy-duty level, you've got to anchor it. That's the bottom line. This is going to be available, of course, in all of the common architectural finishes on solid brass, which is what this is. This is going to be available in your brass, your bronze, your chromes, your satin, your polished, your oil rub bronze. Being Rockwood being Rockwood, they all but encourage custom finishes. You want these in antique nickel? No problem. You want them in powder-coated white? No problem. That's Rockwood. This tip is part number 461B. 461B. That can be ordered additionally in either gray or black. You can order this item and specify in the comment field that you want it shipped with a black bumper, and we'll be happy to do that for you. Typical screw that will hold that bumper in, and that bumper is used in a lot of different Rockwood products, which makes life easy if you standardize on Rockwood doorstops and holders and things of that nature. Let's go over the dimensional properties. They have it at 2.5 base, about 2 9/16 by 1 3/4. Right on. A height, let's hold it upside down to judge that a little bit better. They've got it at 1 5/8, and I'm going to say that that's accurate. So, you know, if you're dealing with a door that's got an undercut of your typical 1/2 inch, 3/8, 5/8, all the way up to, 1 inch for sure. This is going to be able to close or handle the work, but you're really going to need to be closer to 3/4 inch. You don't want half of that rubber hitting the bottom of the door, that's for sure. Okay. There is a link below this video to a document called Product Brochure, where you can pull up not only the 480 and its sister product, the 481, but also the higher model, which is 2 1/4 height versus the 1 5/8 in both the 481H for high, 481H as well. You've got a heavy-duty mounting plate that can be used with either the 481, used with the 481 or 481H model, and that's going to be a plate that you're going to literally drill a hole in the concrete floor, use a fast-setting cement, place that plate down into the concrete floor, then bolt this down to it. That's going to be an application like you'd see in a school, a bus terminal, a sports stadium, places with exceptional use and volume. The 482, the 483, those are what we call gooseneck style, and when you look at that product brochure, you'll see why. And then the gooseneck style with the hold open feature is there as well. I'm partial to Rockwood, and it's because of the fit and finish. Excellent quality material, excellent fit, excellent finish. I'm partial because of their technical support, their customer service. I'm grateful for those things. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all the Rockwood products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to the full product catalog. The name Rockwood is synonymous with trim and auxiliary hardware, and when you choose to use them, you will experience an industry-wide level of familiarity, acceptance, and just the good fortune that you've got a company that has been doing this for decades and stands behind their product. If you have any questions on the Rockwood number 480 and a 626 finish, or any other Rockwood product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.